It's been an extraordinarily painful August in relation to a number of incidences, including the situation on the M9. And I mean, the first thing I want to say is social media companies have a lot to answer for in relation to this. A lot. The platforming of illegal activity, the amplification of that illegal activity, the culture around almost encouraging, for want of a better phrase, copycat activity of illegal activity, the algorithms and how the algorithms can spread toxicity, division, hatred. So there are real and legitimate issues that social media companies need to answer for. I welcome the comments of Barry Andrews yesterday, in fact, as well in relation to this, because at a European level, there's law in relation to this too. So the era of self-regulation is over. There are real and legitimate issues here, and I'd encourage all the social media companies to cooperate with our own national parliament, the Dáil, and indeed any others that require their assistance too. But having said that, and having been crystal clear on the responsibilities of social media companies and their need to step up and live up to them, there is a broader issue here. And it's kind of hard to find the words, but there's a multifaceted issue going on here. And yes, some of it involves absolutely what you said: youth diversion, the criminal justice system, road safety in general. But there's also let me try to get my words right here, there's also another issue here, which is that we are now seeing almost a breakdown of authority, or any respect for authority, in society on occasion. We're seeing a lack of respect for the value of your own life. We're seeing a lack of respect and understanding of the value of human life, the lives of others. And I think, and I think there's a lot to unpack in terms of what's happened this August. And I don't, quite frankly, I'm not sure we can do it in a knee-jerk fashion, or you know, a soundbite or a clip doesn't do this issue justice. There is a need, I think, to consider what's going on in society more broadly. And you're right, youth diversion one, issues for Tusla, absolutely, road safety, I agree with all of this, Oberstown, all of that is an element of it, or elements of it, social media. But there's a broader issue here, a breakdown in respect for authority in society, but also respect for the value of your own life and human life. And I think as a government, some of it's for government, some of it's for broader society, I think we need to dig deep here to work out what is the best way to surface these issues and to examine them in a way that isn't just knee-jerky or respond, and I don't mean this disrespectfully, but kind of to today's news cycle or today's issue, and then kind of not return to it. There's a deeper thing here that requires an examination.